All right, what you got here is the Ancient Nutrition protein powder that's made from real, actual bone broth. You got vanilla here, 20 grams of protein per serving and 40 servings per tub. This is actually an entire 2.22 pounds. You get quite a bit here, to tell you the truth. This is the most excellent and healthy protein that you can put in a shake. The bone broth formula here, you get all the benefits from ancient superfood our ancestors used to consume every day in an ultra convenient condensed form, because this is the modern day and age, and this bone broth powder makes getting healthy gut, joint, and immune system support so easy. We got the breakthrough protein formula, and when it comes to protein content, this formula is twice as potent compared to leading other bone broth brands. Try and say that 5 times quick. You got 3 times more potent than homemade broth, and it contains 5 times more micro and macronutrients than the leading bone broth brands you're looking at around. The nutrient profile here is formulated from concentrated chicken bone broth. The bone broth protein powder contains powerful nutrients, including collagen type 2, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid with 18 amino acids. Holy cow. That's right, packed with protein. Like I said, one serving of Ancient Nutrition bone broth protein powder provides 20 grams of protein and 100 calories. Just add 1 scoop to a smoothie and shake, or a hot drink for healthy gut, joint, and immune system support. If you're looking for an excellent bone broth protein, then I think this is a great option.